Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Birth 11th April 1827. Death 28th November 1890. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule was born on 11th April 1827 in Katgun, Satara district, Maharashtra. His wife Savitribai Phule and he worked for the society in their whole life. He passed his matriculation and started to think about the society. He was deeply hurted because of the cruel division of society. He read many books. The books told him that every human being has same rights. No one is lower and no one is greater than each other. He learned that some selfish people divided the society. The society was under the heavy influence of caste and religion. Jyotirao Phule learned that only education can change the misbeliefs of the people. At that time, girls' education was a crime for the society. The boys from untouchable groups were also not allowed to take education. Jyotirao started schools for all the girls and boys from all the castes and religions. At first, he gave education to his wife Savitribai. She became the first lady teacher in India. They both started to educate the illiterate people. The ethnic people threatened them not to do this. But Jyotirao and Savitribai never stopped their great work. He told the poor people that everyone has the right of education. He told that health as well as agriculture are very useful in the education. He insisted on the practical knowledge for every student. He opened his water tank for the untouchables. He opened shelters for the widows and orphans. He helped the widows to get married after the death of their husbands. Jyotirao and Savitribai adopted an orphan child, Yashwant. They made him a doctor. He fought for the bad condition of the farmers. He wrote many books about the bad conditions of farmers, untouchables and women. Some of his books are Slavery, शेतकऱ्यांचा आसूड, ब्राह्मणांचे कसब, इशारा and सार्वजनिक सत्यधर्म. Jyotirao laid the foundation of Satyashodhak Samaj. He told the society that without education, wisdom was lost. Without wisdom, morals were lost. Without morals, development was lost. Without development, wealth was lost. Without wealth, the Shudras were ruined. So much has happened through lack of education. So everyone must get educated. People started to call him Mahatma. Jyotirao struggled in his whole life for the progress of the poor people. He died on 20th November 1890. We salute him. To get more notifications, please like, share and subscribe the channel Neelambari Pandit. Thank you.